All about Ajuga reptans, the low-maintenance ground cover hero. Hi, Furbu here. Ajuga reptans, also known as bugleweed or carpet bugle, is a fantastic ground cover plant that's been a staple in my gardening projects for years. It's tough, versatile, and offers year-round beauty with its attractive foliage and blue flower spikes. Today, I'm answering some of the most common questions I get about Ajuga reptans to help you decide if it's the perfect addition to your garden. See more 69 species in genus Ajuga at monsterholic.com. What is Ajuga reptans? Ajuga reptans is a herbaceous perennial belonging to the mint family, Lamiaceae. It's native to Europe but has become naturalized in many parts of North America. This low-growing plant forms dense mats with glossy, dark green leaves and produces spikes of small blue flowers in the spring. Is Ajuga reptans easy to grow? Absolutely. Ajuga reptans is a dream for beginner gardeners. It thrives in a wide range of conditions, tolerating full sun to part shade and average, well-drained soil. It's also drought-tolerant once established, making it a low-maintenance choice. How do I plant Ajuga reptans? Planting Ajuga reptans is a breeze. You can start with seeds sown indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost, or transplant directly outdoors in spring or fall. Space the plants about 6 to 8 inches apart and water them regularly until established. How does Ajuga reptans spread? Ajuga reptans is a spreader, but not an aggressive one. It sends out runners that root at the nodes, gradually forming a dense carpet. This makes it ideal for suppressing weeds and preventing erosion in sunny areas or under trees. Does Ajuga reptans need to be cut back? Ajuga reptans doesn't require regular pruning, but you can trim off spent flower stalks after blooming to encourage bushier growth and prevent unwanted seeding. If the foliage gets leggy in summer, you can give it a light shearing to maintain a tidy appearance. What are some companion plants for Ajuga reptans? Ajuga reptans pairs beautifully with a variety of plants. Here are a few ideas. Spring bulbs like daffodils and tulips peek through the Ajuga foliage for a vibrant spring display. Hostas with their contrasting colors and textures create a stunning combination. Daylilies add pops of color throughout the summer. Ornamental grasses provide a textural contrast and visual interest. Ajuga reptans versus creeping thyme. Ajuga reptans and creeping thyme are both excellent ground covers, but they serve slightly different roles in the garden. Ajuga reptans, also known as bugleweed, forms a dense mat with deep green to bronze foliage and striking blue flower spikes in spring. It thrives in partial shade and moist soil, making it great for suppressing weeds in shaded areas. Creeping thyme, on the other hand, prefers full sun and well-draining soil, forming a low, fragrant carpet of tiny green leaves that release a pleasant scent when walked on. It blooms with pink or purple flowers in summer and is more drought-tolerant than Ajuga. While Ajuga offers a bold foliage contrast and shade tolerance, creeping thyme excels in sun-soaked areas and brings a soft, aromatic charm to walkways and rock gardens. Ajuga reptans versus Liriope. Ajuga reptans and Liriope are both popular ground covers, but they differ in growth habit and texture. Ajuga spreads quickly with low-growing rosettes of colorful foliage, typically staying under 6 inches tall, with blue flower spikes in spring. It prefers partial shade and moist conditions, making it ideal for woodland gardens. Liriope, often called lilidif, grows taller, up to 18 inches, with grass-like, arching leaves and produces purple or white flower spikes in late summer, followed by dark berries. It is more structured and can be used for edging or as a mass planting, tolerating sun and shade equally well. While Ajuga is better for fast ground coverage with striking foliage, Liriope provides a more upright, grassy texture and is often more drought-resistant. In conclusion, Ajuga reptans is a versatile and low-maintenance ground cover that brings beauty and functionality to your garden. With its easy care requirements, beautiful foliage, and attractive flowers, it's a plant that keeps on giving. So, if you're looking for a reliable ground cover solution, look no further than Ajuga reptans.